So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own sizing charts so you can stop taking Nailed by Christie's and slapping your own logo on it and calling your own. Now, I ain't going to say no names, but I've seen a few things, but I've done it myself. So the first thing you're going to do is you need to know the size of all your nail tips. So you're going to take your nail tip of choice and get the millimeters. So you're going to take the centimeter side and then measure all the small little tick marks inside of it. And then make sure you press into the nail so you get the full measurement from sidewall to sidewall. So mine is measuring at about 18. So my size 0 nail tip for this particular brand is 18 millimeter. So I'm going to write down that my size 0 nail tip is an 18 millimeter. So I'm going to do that and repeat it for all the different nail sizes that I have. So now we're going to do our Googles. We're going to go on Google and search for a picture of a nail. Whatever kind of nail that you want, it's totally up to you. And whenever you find the picture you like, just save it to your camera roll. And then I have the eraser app, which is free. And I'm just going to add my picture and crop it to the nail that I want. And then just go around and erase all the extra-ish I don't. Then I'm going to take my targeting tool and then target all the white area. And bam, it's gone. Okay, so I'm going to save that and then open up Canva. And Canva's awesome. I definitely recommend it. I use it for everything. For this particular project, I already have one lined up, but I'm going to start a new one. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a little circle, make it red, do it a little transparent, and then add that picture of the nail and then repeat it for 10 times. So you should have size 0 through 9, which is 10. So however you want to line it up, do totally up to you. This is just what I wanted to do and how I'm going to line it up. So I'm just hitting that duplicate button and just copying and going about my business. It's really, really easy, you guys. And like I said, all the apps I'm using are free. So check them out. I'm going to leave them in the description box if you don't write them down. So now I'm just going to title this sizing chart. And then I'm going to search for arrows, change them to the color of choice, which is red, and then put them on the nail bed so people see like that's where you measure. And I'm going to do the same thing I did with the nails, just hit that duplicate button and slide it along. Okay, so once you have all your arrows down, now you're going to label them with the number of the measurements of each of the nails. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with 0 through 9 above all the nails. And same thing, just duplicate, move, duplicate, move, duplicate, move. It's really, really easy and simple to do stuff like this. Okay, so once you've got all that done, now you're going to add in your information about your measuring so your client will know how to measure and then what sizes they should select. So I'm going to put in, like I said, the measurement information and then the sizes that I offer, which is extra small through extra large and then custom sizes. So I'm just going to add that in and then change up the font, move it around and get it how I want. And this information right here, I will leave in the description box along with the measurements for the Aprex nail tips. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the description box. And we're almost done, you guys. It's so easy. I hope you guys think this is easy. Click the like button if you think this is easy. And click the like button if you think this is hard. Just click the like button and subscribe. right, yes, here we go. Here's the final look. And I hope you guys thought this was easy to follow along with, and this is something that you can do for your business. So if you guys thought this was helpful, please let me know by liking and subscribing to the video in my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.